Welcome to GSA's Kahua e-learning series. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to create a project charter. The project charter is the internal document that formally initiates the project, addresses the business need for the project, and describes the product or service to be created or provided by the project. Let's log into Kahua so we can learn more about the charter and PMP app. After logging into Kahua, always make sure you're working in the correct project. To check, look at the project title listed in the top bar. To open a project, use the Project Finder app. If you need more instruction on how to open a project, please refer to the Project Finder e-learning video. To open the Charter and PMP app, click the app launcher located on the left navigation pane. In the Other column, click Charter and PMP. Once you open an app, it will appear on the left navigation pane. The app's log view will open. To create a new charter, make sure to click the Charter tab and click the New button. A new blank charter document will display on the right side of the screen. The version date will auto-populate with the current date. This date can be manually changed if needed. Leave the approved date empty. When the charter is approved, this date will automatically populate. The status will default to draft. Leave this as is, and the status will change when workflowed. The information coming from the project record will be read-only. This includes the project name, project number, customer, building, address, city, state, sponsor, and project manager. To add the region, click the drop-down arrow. Use the scroll bar or type in the number to find the region. Click to select. In the next step, manually enter the managing organization. To add the project's overview, you can manually type or copy and paste from another program. To add the project's objectives, click the Insert button to add a line. To add more than one line at a time, change the number of items and click Insert. Enter the description or copy and paste from another program. To remove a line, click the checkbox beside the line and click Delete. To easily view the descriptions full screen and make edits, click the More button. Click the Edit icon beside the first record, and use the Next and Previous buttons to navigate through the records and make your changes. When you're finished, click Done to return to the charter form. In the next step, add the project scope. You can copy and paste from a Word document, a PDF, or another program to save time. The following steps will require a schedule, milestones, and risk have been added to the project. To learn more about how to add these types of records, please review the Schedule, Milestone, and Risk e-learning videos. Scroll to the Milestone section and click Add Milestones. Click the checkbox beside each applicable milestone to add, and click Select. Whenever working within Kahua, it's always a best practice to save and save often. To do this, click the drop-down beside Save and Close and click Save. To quickly return to a previous section, click the shortcut located on the right-hand side of the form. In this next step, we'll add risk. To do this, click the Add Risk button. Click the checkbox beside each risk you'd like to add, and click Select. Scroll down to add a constraint. Click Insert and add a description. Click Insert to add an assumption and enter a description. To add the preliminary budget information, click Insert to add a line. To add multiple lines, change the item numbers and click Insert. Add a budget description and the line item amount. Finish this for each line that you've added. And once you've saved, the total amount will calculate. Make sure to review the project manager responsibility and authority statements. Each item can be changed from a yes to a no. One of the most important steps is to add the names of the sponsors. To add one sponsor, click Insert. To add more than one, change the number of items and click Insert. Select the name of the sponsor. You can begin typing their name and then select their name from the list. Make sure to add an approval due date. Click the calendar icon and select the date from the calendar. Add additional notes in the comments field and upload supporting documentation in the references section. If you're not quite ready to submit this document for approvals, click the drop-down and select Save. If you're ready to submit the document for sponsor approvals, click the Submit button. If you need to make a change before the sponsors begin their approval, click Recall, and this will open the document back up for edits. This concludes today's video on how to create a project charter. In the next video in this series, we'll discuss the review and approval process by the charter sponsor. Thank you for watching. If you need assistance with Kahua, please reach out to kahuasupport@gsa.gov.